friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Thursday. So we have a midweek video of a lot of freebies, believe it or not, at Walgreens, Meijer, and some penny items over at the Dollar General. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And while I was out and about, I found a new penny shopper in her red truck and she drove herself to the store. And isn't she just absolutely adorable? The dog was so big, it actually took up the entire passenger seat. The dog didn't drive to the store, but I thought this was such a cute little picture, and the owner is like, "Oh, my friend goes everywhere with me," and I thought it was so cute. Okay, first store that we're at is Walgreens, and I just wanted to talk about a deal that I was talking about on Tuesday, and I went and did. It was these 3 Olay lotions. I found a store that sold them, and I will let you guys know that the IBOTTA rebate vanished, and it reappeared. It's still in my account, but it did disappear, and it had a timer of death, and it's back. So if you wanted to try to do it, I did try the retinol lotion, and it is a really nice one. So these lotions right now are buy one, get one 50% off. So grabbing 3 of them, that's like $32 and some change. Now I rolled a $10 register reward that I had from a previous deal, along with another $5 register reward that I had in this deal. And I had a 5 off 2 digital. And I also had a $3 coupon, but it did not come off. So I called customer service and they credited me that. So what I did for this one was I used $10 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $2.47 plus tax. So it was like $5. And then I got back 2 more $10 register rewards. And here they are. The top one is the P&G. Earn this when you spend 30, and the one below is for beauty. But if you look at the top one, it actually expires on Friday, so I have to use it or lose it. So this is where you really have to pay attention to try to make a deal happen. And then the bottom one, lotion, is considered part of beauty in the store, but not online. So go and figure that one out. And the best rule of thumb, guys, is that if nothing's tagged at your store, it's really to see if this machine is working that prints the register rewards. Ask a cashier, or possibly like watch the machine for other customers. Is it printing out yes or no? Or ask a cashier in a nice way. Say, hey, is that machine working, yes or no? And they'll probably let you know definitively yes or no. Now, the IBOTTA rebate, again, it was like vanishing. It showed up. It says premium body wash or lotion. Lotion is cut off, and I got my $6 back, which was really fantastic. So you're either looking for items that have this specific tag, or you see that people are getting that 10 back P&G register reward to print with. And it should work. And this is across the board at all the stores in the US, even if it's not tagged. If you know certain items that are making this print, like try and make deals happen, because there's a lot of very cheap items this week over at Walgreens. There was a whole bunch of TRESEMME, this gloss shampoo, and various stylers. And I know that the deal this week is to buy 2 to get back a $4 register reward. And this was 90% off. So each item was 79 cents. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to roll the dice and buy them in sets of 2 and see if that $4 register reward prints. And I guess I had my day and everything was printing for me. So I grabbed 2 of these for like $1.58. I rolled a buck of Walgreens cash and then got a $4 register reward. So it made it like a $2 and some change money maker. And if you find, you have to buy them in sets of 2, but if you can track down more than 2, break them up and earn that register reward. And I did this all on the same card, and that register reward printed 3 times. So that's really fantastic, like a nice little money maker. This was from Sunday, and it's this Nexus Advanced. I think this was a shipment that arrived at smaller market stores, and they're supposed to be at stores with beauty counters, but for whatever reason, at some stores, they're on clearance, and other stores, they're full price. So go and figure that one out. But 2 of these for like $3 or almost $4, and you're getting back a $10 register reward. Like, that is a deal and a steal if you can track down 2 Nexus products. The second store that I went to, I found 1 Nexus product. So somebody else beat me to it, but I would have bought all of them because I do love the Nexus line. Lots of paper is 50% off. If you think this is a good deal, or if you have register rewards you just want to burn through, by all means, But a lot of this, I think it's just still a bit too much at $2.49 for a little 4-pack, or these single rolls for 90 cents. It's still just a bit too much. So when it goes 75, it's a different story. But even at 90 cents for one single roll, I think it's still just a bit too much. Okay, the next store that we have is Meijer. It's a grocery store here in the Midwest, and I have been in and out of that store all week because the deals have been really fantastic. This first deal goes to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. It's to grab 2 of these You Buy Kotex. I think it's like buy one, get one 30% off, and we have a 2 off too, so it makes them really, really cheap. I recommend that you open up your shop and scan and to see what the math will be. I think it's like 19 cents for the 2 after everything's said and done. But just to make sure that the digital coupon is still attaching, I would definitely scan 2 into the shop and scan. The next 3 are complete freebies. Look for them in the clearance section or possibly the regular section. But we have a $6 digital coupon. I think this guy was like $5.44. So it just made it a freebie. We both have a Chic Men and a Chic Women's razor coupon. So I would definitely, see what's out there and what's attaching, open up that shop and scan. And then we also have a Dove whole body for men, and then the Dove ladies deodorant, and we have a $2 for the ladies and a $5 for the men's. I think the men's is like $3 and the ladies is $2. The coupons reduced down to the cost of goods. There is no overage at Meijer with digital coupons, so it just makes it completely for free. And I know that a lot of these items have been in the clearance section at various stores, so I would definitely walk down those aisles and see what they may have. I think this happened a couple days back. Lots of the laundry items are 50% off. That include like large bottles of Tide, the larger bottles of Tide Pods. And currently we have a 10 off 50 digital coupon. There are no coupons that are attaching to a lot of these laundry care unless you want to scan every single one, but my store was cleared of a lot of it. But some of these items are items that we use in our household, such as this one, so I really did stock up. I bought about roughly $50 worth. The 10 off 50 came off, so I had to pay 40. And then the shop and scan had a promotion that when you spend 30, you get back 10. Double, triple check your different M-Perk activities if you have the same one as I, but it made it like $30 for 5 of these, or like $6 per large detergent. So that's the only way I could reconcile it this month, was that extra $10 back, and I already got it. So you might want to go to your store and try and do this deal ASAP. Whenever there's 50% off Tide, it just flies off the shelf. Okay, the final store that we have is everybody's favorite, the Dollar General. And as many of you know, on Tuesday, lots of the Valentine's Day stuff, 90% off. So like if you have a dollar item, it's 10 cents. And lots of these stores still had a large amount of this left. I think, with the way the economy is right now, people just are not decorating for every occasion. So there was a good amount of this left. So this was 10 cents. If you open up the Dollar General app, it should be bringing up 10 cents for you. And I believe probably next week, everything will penny out if there's anything left in your store. I did find a couple penny items courtesy of Christie's Connections. This is called Aged As Seen on TV. This is called Smart Shield. It's some sort of like specialized cleaner. I've always been curious about this, but it was like $13, so it can stay at the store. And just to show you the product a little bit up close. So it has a little spray nozzle. Look for this either in the clearance section or in As Seen on TV. That's where I found most of this, was in the As Seen on TV. But Smart Shield, and here is the UPC, and it should be bringing up a penny. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for this. And I was really delighted to find 3 of them at one store. And then another store that I visited, I found this, some sort of novelty item. It is called Tap Pro. So you throw this on top of a beer, and it just gives you the sensation that it's like pouring out of a tap. I guess a lot of people might really enjoy that. But you guessed it, 1 penny. And I found this in the As Seen on TV, and it's part of the aged As Seen on TV stuff. So keep your eyes peeled for these 2 items. Just to show you the receipt, because I know a lot of people probably say, I don't believe anything you're saying. I also found a washcloth that was a penny, but those are the Smart Shields at this one store. Everything was ringing up a penny, so that is the best price to pay for cleaner, and I'm so delighted with that. Good luck, guys. Get out there and make these deals happen, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.